Hi, as we learnt in the last few videos to move a robot which is in our right hand side, and we have learnt what are blocks and even we have used certain blocks. So today we will learn how to turn a robot. Now I'm moving it forward with help of the joystick. So this is not a robot now because I'm controlling it. Now, how do we say it is a robot? We say that is a robot when it works all by itself. So now we will make one. So as we learned, the my program block is the most important. So we will drag it on the screen and then go to move motion the loops because we want it to repeat certain times. So we need loop, right? So I'll drag this first block here, repeat dash times and do. Now I have not implemented any value for doing the task. So for that, I'll go for the math. In the math, I'll use the first block because I want it to repeat certain times and I should implement some value in that. So I'll drag it and place it here. And for example, we will repeat it 4 times. So I have written the value 4 and enter. So now we want it to move, right? So for that, we will go to motions and we will select move forward first and drag it under this one. So now it will move forward when I click on start. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is moving forward. After that, I want it to turn left. So I'll drag this turn left block under move forward. And again, after turning left, I don't want it to just sit there after turning it. So I want it to move backward. So I'll drag this move backward and place it under turn left. So now we have my program which will be repeated 4 times. And what it will do, it will move forward, turn left and again come backward, right? So for that, I'll save my code first in the save project. Now it is saved successfully. Now let's say how it works. Start 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So as we saw here, the robot moved forward and again turned left and came backwards and again came forward and turned left and again backward. And coincidentally, it have made a plus sign here. So this is how robot works. Now I can say this is a robot because it have worked all by itself. See, start 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah. So 4 times it have repeated it as I have commanded. So this is how the actual robot will work in real life too. When we command it to do something, it will do exactly how we program it. So that's it for today. See you in the next video, and in the next video we'll be learning how to get back the robot. Fine. So see you in the next video, future robot builders.